So welcome back to my channel Lifetothepowerinfinity. I hope you all are doing really well, and today's video is all about this eye makeup look right here. This is a very basic and simple smoky eyes. I think this is very easy to create, and you can also create like this eye makeup look on yourself. So for that you need to watch this full video. Creating this eye makeup look, I have just realized that I have got such an amazing palette, and that is the Origin palette of Beauty Bay, and they have all total 42 shades with lots of warm nudes and rose gold and pink shades. The texture of these shades are just insane, guys. They are so pigmented. The formula and the texture of this eyeshadows are so soft and butter. It glides also easily on your eyelids. You just need one stroke to apply this on your eyelid and they'll come just so popping. So if you want to create this eye makeup look of mine, then please keep on watching. So guys, here is the complete eye makeup look. I hope you really enjoyed this eye makeup look of mine and you really enjoyed this video of mine. Then please do subscribe my channel, follow all of my social medias, and do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. For now, I am just signing off and will get back soon in another exciting video. Bye.